Now I'll go ahead and attach the links which are required. For example, if I click on now, I'll see how far it is done. I'm clicking on update, and I'll click on preview changes to see how far it is being done. So now you see that the font style is Times New Roman throughout the page, and font size is set to 18. So this makes it so clearly legible even on small screens. So that's the reason I'm setting it. I'm changing the font size. If you're this is not compulsory that you need to change the font sizes and shade styles, but in order to maintain uniqueness throughout your website, you can use this one. So now I'll go ahead, and if you see that there are no links attached to this, but I want these to be linking to some content on either online or some content which I have in my laptop. So I'll just so for this general information and instructions for modules, I have a page which is already there in my WordPress blog. So I want this link to that page in my WordPress. So I am just selecting this, the text which I want to link, and I'll click on this insert link button over here. So once I click there, I can choose if I want to link it to an external link, I can write the URL over here, but I wanted to link it to the existing content which is already there in WordPress. So I'll just click on over here. If you want to link something which is already existing in WordPress, you'll click here. So it shows all the pages that are already created before this page. So I want this link to this page, information instruction for accessing modules. So I'll click on this, and I'll click on open tab, and I'll click on add link. So now the link is generated, so it turned blue. So this is a link. So now in the same way, if I go to this, I have introduction PDF. So I'll just save this one to the desktop. So now I have one of the PDF on my desktop. This one I want to link in my WordPress page. So for this, I'll just go to this modules. So to view the text document, so this link I wanted to link to that document. So since the document is in our system, we need to add that media to our WordPress media content. So for this, we'll click on add media icon over here, and we need to upload the file. Click on select files, and I'll choose this file. Click on open. So once I clicked on open, if I want something to be here, so it shows module 7 introduction, but I want this to be click here. This is what you want the link to name it. So if you want to change this, you can change it, or else you can keep it as it is. So insert into page. So now click here. So when I click on this, it goes to that document. It opens up the document. So now I have to watch the video, click here. So I will link the video content over here. I'll do this later. I'll do this later, but let's go ahead and link the contents first. So online reference databasing. So there is a link here. So I wanted to. I'll just make this link as click here. I'll just cut this one, and I am making this as a link. So I'll just click on it, and I am pasting the link over here. And make sure that this is checked, like open link in a new window or tab, and add link. So and I'll do the same thing for all of this. Instead of writing the content here and having the link here, I'll make this content, this text, to open this particular link. So that in that case, what I'll do is I'll just copy this. I'll cut this link, and I'll select this text which I wanted to be as a link, and I'll click on it. I'll paste the link, click on add link. this is the same thing that I'll be doing it for the rest of the text. So basically what I'm doing is instead of showing so much of text on my page, I'm just minimizing the amount of text that's there on my page. So I'm making the text itself as a link instead of posting the link beside the text. So I'm just cutting it. I'll link this to this, and the same thing for so add links, and even I'll do the same thing for here over here. So since these are the external links that we are linking, so we'll be using we'll post the URL directly. So I'm doing the same thing for the other two even. So now I have added the links. So I think there are no more links now. So now I'm done with the attaching to links. So I'll just see how far it is done. I'll click on update. In order to see the changes on the live pages, we have to click on update. So I'll click on preview changes to see how far it is changed. So now you see that there are the click here's are showing up as a links. So if I click on this one, it is opening a new page, instruction and informations for accessing models. So this has the content related to that page. So this is what is required, and if I click on here, it is opening the PDF document which I uploaded from my laptop, so from my system. So this is the same. Even if you see over here, these all are turned into blue. So blue indicates that these are hyperlinks. So if I click on this, it opens up the required page which is linking. So I'll go back to this. Okay, so I just want even this online to be part of the hyperlink, so that's the reason I did it this way. So that what I did right now is I inserted the text, whatever the text I wanted, inside what is already there as a hyperlink. Why? Because it allows me to have the same font size and font style. So that's a simple way to do that. And what I'll do, I click on update. If you refresh this page, so now the sharing icons are gone. So this is how you need to do, how we can insert the content into WordPress.